Corpus Hermeticum. In this video, we will discuss two themes that will give you a new perception of human life, unity of the whole and connection between things, and fundamentals of our existence. Imagine accessing the mysteries of the universe, where the veil between the visible and the invisible dissipates, resides the essence of existence. Thus, we delve deeper into the cosmic dance of unity, aware that we are part of something greater than ourselves. With every step, every movement, we approach the understanding of the ultimate truth, that all things are interconnected in a vast and intricate pattern of harmony, beauty, and meaning. It is in this intangible realm, permeated by the eternal light of divine knowledge, that the magnificent cosmic dance of unity unfolds. The Corpus Hermeticum, attributed to the mysterious Hermes Trismegistus, leads us on a journey through the veils of time and space. In its ninth part, we are led to contemplate the unity underlying all things, from the most ephemeral to the most imposing, in an intricate fabric of interconnection. Imagine yourself immersed in an ocean of primordial energy where every particle, every atom, pulses in harmony with the whole. Mortal things, human beings, earthly creatures, all are bound by an invisible thread of consciousness, in an eternal dance of exchanges and interactions. In this universal symphony, mutual relationships weave an intricate network that connects each being to the next, from the humblest grain of sand to the most imposing star. Every event, every encounter, is part of a vast scheme of meaning, where nothing is insignificant and everything contributes to the weaving of the universe. At the heart of this unity lies the will of God, the primordial principle that gives rise to the diversity and multiplicity of the cosmos. It is through divine decree that all things are called into existence, each fulfilling its unique and essential role in the grand symphony of creation. Contemplating this sublime order, we are led to recognize the inherent duality of human nature. As Hermes Trismegistus reminds us, we are endowed with a divine essence and a mortal condition, united in a transcendental synthesis that makes us superior even to the gods. Through this understanding, we realize that we are heirs to a cosmic inheritance, destined to actively participate in the dance of life. With every breath, every thought, we contribute to the expansion of the universe, manifesting the divine will in our own lives. However, this unity is not limited only to the human realm. It encompasses all creation, from the tiniest particles to the vast horizons of space. Every being, every object, is a unique expression of divinity, reflecting the beauty and complexity of the whole. Yet, this sublime vision is not without shadows. The Corpus Hermeticum warns us of Egypt's spiritual decline, a dark omen of the disorder that can arise when we stray from the light of truth. Failure to understand the unity underlying all things can lead to spiritual decay and moral chaos. But even in the deepest darkness, there is hope. For the will of God is eternal and immutable, and through it all things will be restored and renewed. In the great cycle of existence, light will always prevail over darkness, and unity will be restored. Here is a part of the dialogue between Hermes Trismegistus and his son Asclepius. Hermes, my dear Asclepius, look around you and contemplate the greatness of the universe. Everything we see, from the stars in the sky to the grains of sand beneath our feet, is interconnected by an invisible web of connection. Asclepius, but how is this possible, Father? How can there be a unity underlying all things, so diverse and complex? Hermes, it is a profound mystery, my son, but a truth that is beyond human understanding. All that exists is a manifestation of the same primordial source, an expression of the divine will that permeates the universe. Asclepius, so, even I, a mere mortal, am connected to all things? Hermes, yes, Asclepius, you are an inseparable part of the whole. Your existence is intertwined with that of all other creatures, from the grandest to the humblest. Every thought, every action of yours reverberates through the cosmos, echoing in the vastness of the universe. Asclepius, this is wonderful and frightening at the same time, Father. How can I understand this interconnection and live in harmony with it? Hermes, the key, my son, lies in recognizing the divinity within yourself and in all things. When you realize that all creatures are manifestations of the divine, you begin to treat all things with respect and reverence. Asclepius, so, should we strive to live in harmony with the universe, recognizing our connection to all things? Hermes, yes, Asclepius. When we understand that we are part of a greater whole, we are able to transcend the artificial divisions that separate us from each other and from the world around us. It is through this understanding that we find true peace and fulfillment. Asclepius, thank you, Father, for sharing this wisdom with me. I promise to strive to live in harmony with the universe and to honor the interconnection of all things. Hermes, so be it, my son. May your journey be guided by the light of understanding and the love that unites all things. To gain a deeper understanding, watch our complete playlist on the knowledge of the universe. Like and share our videos with friends and family. Thank you very much for helping our work. Now let's move on to the topic, fundamentals of existence. Amidst the vastness of the cosmos, among stars that twinkle like sparks of divinity and planets that dance to the cosmic rhythm, there is a mystery that permeates all existence, the fundamentals of life itself. Here are the seeds of knowledge about what sustains the universe and gives meaning to our journey through it. The fundamentals of existence are like the invisible foundations upon which the edifice of the cosmos stands. They invite us to contemplate primordial mysteries, to dive into the deep waters of metaphysical understanding, to question what lies beyond the veil of tangible reality. At the heart of this enigma, we discover the unity of the whole, the invisible fabric that binds all things in a cosmic dance of interconnection and harmony. In the Hermetic vision, existence is conceived as an expression of divine will, a reflection of the Creator's thought that manifests through creation. Every being, every star, every atom is a note in the symphony of life, a unique manifestation of the cosmic intelligence that permeates the universe. This intelligence, this divine logos, is the fundamental principle that shapes and gives substance to everything that exists. Just as an architect conceives and builds a masterpiece out of nothing, the divine artisan shapes the universe out of the primordial ether, infusing it with purpose and meaning. Every part of creation is an expression of divine will, a piece in the great puzzle of the cosmos. From distant stars to the atoms that compose our own being, everything is interconnected in a web of relationships that echo the underlying unity of reality. In Hermetic teachings, we are invited to contemplate the dual nature of existence, the visible and the invisible, the material and the spiritual, the finite and the infinite. These apparent polarities are, in fact, complementary manifestations of the same underlying reality, different expressions of the same universal principle. Just as yin and yang intertwine in the eternal dance of balance, all things find their place in the cosmic order. As we explore the fundamentals of existence, we are led to question our own nature and our purpose within the grand scheme of things. We are invited to transcend the limitations of the mind and to expand our consciousness to embrace the totality of the universe. In this process of self-discovery and spiritual realization, we discover that we are more than mere spectators of life, we are active co-creators of the cosmos, conscious participants in the grand work of creation. Our destiny is intertwined with the destiny of the universe, our choices shape the course of cosmic history. As we awaken to the truth of our divine nature, we assume our place as guardians of life, stewards of the planet, and co-creators of the future. In this sense, the fundamentals of existence invite us not only to contemplate the greatness of the universe, but also to take responsibility for our role within it. In the light of the Corpus Hermeticum, we are reminded that life is a sacred mystery, a precious gift that we must honor and preserve. By exploring the fundamentals of existence, we are invited to awaken to the truth of our connection to all that is, to embrace the underlying unity of life, and to celebrate the wonder of existence in all its diversity and beauty. May we continue our journey of discovery and spiritual growth, aware that we are part of something greater than ourselves, part of the infinite fabric of the universe, part of the fundamentals of existence. Here is a part of the dialogue between Hermes and his son. Hermes, my dear Asclepius, since the dawn of time, humanity has sought to understand the fundamentals of existence. What do you understand by the essence of life? Asclepius, Father, I have reflected deeply on this question. It seems to me that the essence of life resides in the interconnection of all things, in the harmony and order that permeate the universe. Hermes, your perception is correct, Asclepius. The essence of life lies in the interdependence of all things, in the complex web of relationships that sustains the cosmos. From the stars in the heavens to the atoms that compose our being, everything is intrinsically linked. Asclepius, but Father, how can we understand the fundamentals of this interconnection? How can we discern the purpose behind existence? Hermes, it is a journey of self-discovery, my son. We must look within ourselves, beyond the illusions of matter, and seek the truth that resides at our core. Understanding the fundamentals of existence requires an open mind and a heart receptive to the wisdom of the universe. Asclepius. So, true wisdom lies not only in intellectual knowledge, but also in the direct experience of reality? Hermes. Exactly, Asclepius. True wisdom cannot be found in books or abstract theories, but rather in the authentic experience of life. We must open ourselves to the experience of the divine in all things and allow it to guide us on our journey. Asclepius. It is a fascinating perspective, Father. I promise to seek this wisdom with all my being and to live in harmony with the fundamentals of existence. Hermes. So be it, my son. May your quest for truth lead you to a profound understanding of the mysteries of the universe and to awakening to the true nature of existence. We'll conclude this part. To gain a deeper understanding, watch our complete playlist on the knowledge of the universe. Like and share our videos with friends and family. Thank you very much for helping our work.